Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to create, run, and modify saved searches. Whether you need to keep an eye on comparable titles or stay up to date on new releases in a certain genre, saved searches can reduce the time and effort you spend on the queries that you run regularly. First, log into your CataList account at bnccatalyst.ca. Logging in will give you access to all of the platform search tools and ensure that your saved searches are associated with your account. Start by running a search. You can save any type of search, including quick search, catalog search, ISBN list search, or advanced search. Let's take a look at the process for saving an advanced search. Using the form, set your search parameters to return the types of titles that you're looking for. When you're ready, run the search. Take a moment to review your results. If desired, modify your search by expanding the advanced search form and changing the parameters as needed. When you're happy with your results, click the Save Search button and give your new saved search a name. You can find your saved searches wherever you are in CataList by clicking the Save Searches link in the main navigation bar. Then, click the name of the search you want to run. CataList will remember all of the parameters that you set up and run them for you with a single click. If you need to modify your search, you can do so by clicking the Manage Saved Searches button. You can find this button above your search results, or you can find it by clicking the Save Searches link in the main navigation menu. On the Manage Saved Searches page, you can edit, copy, delete, or run your saved searches. The Edit button will allow you to rename your search or modify the search parameters. Quick searches and ISBN list search parameters can be edited directly on the Manage Saved Searches page. You can edit the properties of an advanced search by clicking the link to the advanced search form. There, you can make the desired modifications and run your search again. Click the Save Search button to update your existing search. You also have the option to create a new saved search by clicking the Save as New Search button. Let's return to the Manage Saved Searches page. Use the Make a Copy button to duplicate your search, including the parameters that you've already created. You can edit that copy by providing a new name and altering the search criteria. If you no longer need a search and wish to remove it from your saved search list, you can delete it by clicking the Delete button on the right-hand side. Try it yourself and see how saved searches can streamline the way you keep on top of new releases and comparable titles in CataList. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.